Question: what could possibly be better than an old-timey Christmas cake recipe? I'll have the answer back in a minute. Be better than an old-timey Christmas cake recipe? One that's guilt-free. Hi, I'm Jan. I live in New York City, and I love to help people save more of their hard-earned money. For the next few days, in the next couple of weeks, you're going to see me pop on with a little bit of a recipe or two. Most of them are very simple. Most of them are very affordable, but every single one of them are guilt-free, and that's the difference. I have to wear my glasses. It comes from a special book that is out of print. I'll show you the picture of the book on this thumbnail. So the name of this recipe is Fig Spice Cake, and this is a moist, flavorful cake to enjoy without guilt. Now, who wouldn't want that? Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to remove some stems from the figs. You're going to cut them up, and you're going to soak them for 1 hour. So you're going to need 1 cup of cut up figs and 1 cup of hot water. Then you are going to measure into a bowl 1/4 cup of safflower oil. If you don't have that, you can use regular oil. 1/3 cup of molasses, 1/3 cup of brown sugar packed, 1/3 cup of water from the soaking figs. So you're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and you're going to spray a 9x9 pan. Then you're going to add to the wet ingredients 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of unbleached flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice. You're going to stir, adding the figs. You're going to pour into the pan and bake 45 to 50 minutes, 50, until cake begins to pull away from the sides of the pan. You're going to let it cool off. Then you're going to cut it into 9 squares. Dust with a sprinkle of powdered sugar if desired. Total calories per square, just 185 calories. I think that's really, really a good deal. What do you think? All right. Well, I hope everyone is doing well, and I'll be back, like I said, periodically with some more recipes. And everybody have an amazing, fantastic holiday season. Who says you have to feel guilty? Have a great day. Good care.